Welcome to number1plates.com, your trusted home for the very best replacement number plates. First, let's show you how to design and order your perfect replacement plates. First choice is to have legal or show plates. When set to legal plates, the plate builder will not allow you to design anything that isn't legal for UK roads. Once you have made your choice of plate style, go ahead and enter your registration number. Please note, we do not sell private or personal registration numbers. Next step is to choose your plate sizes. We have over 350 sizes of number plates for you to choose from. From standard to electric vehicle plates, short plates, oversized rear plates, hex and diamond shaped, all the way to sizes designed to fit your actual make and model of car. The choice is yours. For this video, we will stick with standard legal UK number plates. Sizes chosen. Great, let's move on to the next step. Next we have to choose which material you want your plates to be made out of. We recommend premium acrylic to all customers. It costs a little more, but provides a flawless shiny acrylic-faced plate. Next step is the exciting part. Text styles. When choosing your text style, please take a look at all of our options. Please note all styles of text we sell are 100% legal and compliant. Standard print, we print directly onto the reflective backing to give a true black finish to your registration number. 3D gel black, these are gel letters that we apply to give a raised bubble type effect. 4D laser gloss, these are rigid raised letters and numbers that sit proudly on top of the plate, very popular choice. 4D laser gel, this combines both the 4D and the 3D gel to give a truly eye-catching and unique look to your number plates. We also do 5mm styles of the above to really give it that raised look. Next choice we have is badges. Please choose and select your optional badge. If traveling from the UK to Europe, you will need a UK badge. These are found to the bottom of the choices. You don't have to have a badge to be legal, it is a personal preference. Nearly there. Last stop on our number plate design journey is borders. To make your newly designed plate stand out, why not add an optional border? Choose from our colors and away we go. Choose from front and rear, pair, or just front, or even just rear. Don't worry, we can add extra plates at the basket stage. When ready, click Add to Basket. Please take note of the warning pop-ups to progress to the basket. Now we are in the basket stage, we would recommend you double-check your order, and if needed add extra plates, or even extra fixing kits. Fixing kits are required to attach your new number plates to your vehicle. Please take a look at our unique optional plate insurance, a great money-saving feature. When ready, click Proceed to checkout. When in checkout, please fill in your shipping address. Please double-check this as mistakes can't be changed once your order has been dispatched. Choose your shipping method. We recommend Priority Tracked, as it is our fastest tracked service. Then choose your payment method. We accept all major cards and credit cards, and also fast PayPal checkout. Don't forget to accept the T's and C's. Once payment has been processed, that's it, all done. You will receive an order confirmation email straight away. Then when your order has been dispatched, you will receive further emails with tracking and updates. Once again, thank you for shopping with us here at Number 1 Plates. We hope you will visit again soon.